Okie dokie, I'm here working late at night, a bunch of multi-axis stuff, and I don't have the best desktop computer, but the pending regeneration was really getting slow. Now I do try to clean my computer online storage with System Mechanic or C Cleaner. I actually played around. I thought I remember hearing Clear Cache. And poor performance when working with large files in Fusion. Parts of the interface turn black. These are common problems. Working with files, components, complex. In our case, the CAM part. The CAM part. This is more like design assembly. But yeah, make sure you get a good enough computer. What else do we have? Avoid performance pitfalls. Effects, this is all design stuff. But actually, I tried it on my Fusion here. So here's my Fusion. This is like a 3D model I was working on. This thing was torturing me. So I went into help here. It says support diagnostics, clear cache data. And I've restarted the computer. Make sure I have nothing like can possibly slow me down, like too much rest machine or stuff like that. But I do restart clear cache, so it restarts Fusion, and it seems to get better. I think it did seem to get better. And another thing was, I think if you're opening files in other computers, I kept on seeing my pending and all that stuff was coming up. But I was told to, if you're switching computers, and I open up a file that I have done nothing to, it starts regenerating on the CAM side. It's because it's trying to put stuff in the cache, I guess. This one was CO2 dragsters, so we're doing some here. To the Macintosh. Look at my machine extension back. Go to this one, Jack's dragster. Go in here and check something. It's actually even loading right now, but not taking as long. I don't get the black screen. It's not updating. That's good. We go update something. So change, like, I don't know, fine step down to millimeter. So now it's regenerating, but it does seem to be better. A little bit, but it's hung up right now. I'm not getting a black screen. I was getting a black screen before. So hanging in there. I do notice also some people have been giving me STL files, and for some reason they seem to take a long time. And I did do the convert STL file to body. That seems to help a little bit. So I think it did speed up a little bit. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Okay, talk to you later. CNC Dude signing off.